You can see which one is the ckbl line and other things, and you can see here is a pin number, and this count from this here. Okay, 1 2 3 4. If you cut this pin from this here, it will be work. Okay, and due to the panel short, today's video to repair the TV black screen problem, and this problem comes from this panel. Okay, today I will repair this, and today I will show how to find the ckb line and how to remove that. Okay, let's start. Here is some common voltage, and that means standby voltage, it always be present there, and this one is the VCC 11.88 volt. It's okay. Okay, here is a beacon voltage, here should be present 1.8 volt, and you can see here is a mark all those voltage, and you just check this voltage. Here is a present, yeah, here is a present 1.774 volt. This is okay, and here should be present 3.3 volt VCC voltage. Let's check. This voltage also okay, no problem, but here is a no voltage present, and because of the short of this panel, and a short is this ckb line. Okay, today I will remove this, and I will show how to remove this, and you can see the panel model number, and today's voice is down, little bit down, and you can check this my panel number, and this is the panel. Here is also some voltage, SCL and SDL. You can also check this voltage. This voltage comes from the system. Yeah, 3.3 voltage is present, and this one also 3.3 voltage. Now let's cut the ckb line. After that, check what happened. For cutting this ckb line, I will use this blade, and you can use the more sharp things, and that can be help you cut this line. And after that, I will check this all this voltage and what happened with this panel. Okay, at this 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's cut this. Right now, and I'm giving the power, and just press the power button, and I'm pressing the power button, and let's see the display. You can see it's working. It's absolutely fine, no problem here, and a raster has come, and every work you can do, that is not the necessary, and sometimes you have to take some help the others people, and that is the life. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and you can share your opinion below comment box.